से स्वागत करता हूं आपका महेंद्र साइंस स्कूल की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में। आज अपन कक्षा क्लास 12 का हेलोजन डेरिवेटिव चैप्टर का डिस्कस करेंगे। तो इसमें हेलोजन डेरिवेटिव, व्हाट इज ए हेलोजन डेरिवेटिव? आंसर है वन एंड मोर देन वन हाइड्रोजन एटम, वन एंड मोर देन वन हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑफ एलिफैटिक and aromatic hydrocarbon replaced by the क्लासिफिकेशन एंड नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ एल्किल हैलाइड एंड इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट है क्लासिफिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन नंबर ऑफ हेलोजन एटम, मतलब कंपाउंड में जितने हेलोजन प्रेजेंट होंगे उनके अकॉर्डिंग हम उनका क्लासिफिकेशन कैसे करेंगे। तो क्लासिफिकेशन एंड दीज आर divided into these are divided into 4 types: mono, di, tri and tetra। चार पार्ट में इनके मोनो, डाई, ट्राई, टेट्रा। एक बारी बारी से एक एक पढ़ते हैं। तो पहले अपन लेते हैं टाइप्स and second है formula, type second है formula and third is common name and fourth IUPAC, fourth is IUPAC। first है monohaloalkane। फॉर एग्जाम्पल या फॉर्मूला CH3Cl, लाइक दैट, मतलब मोनोहैलोअल्केन, these haloalkane have only one, या these compound have only one halogen atom, that is called monohaloalkane। common name is also right in derived and tribal system, so its common name is methyl chloride। So its common name is methyl chloride and IUPAC। Firstly choose the longest chain, then after do the numbering and use the substitutes as a prefix। So 1 chloromethane, 1 chloromethane। second dihaloalkane, di means that 2। so in this compound have a 2 halogen atom, that is called dihaloalkane, like that CH2Cl2, common name is methylene chloride and IUPAC dichloromethane, dichloromethane या otherwise 1,1 dichloromethane, 1,1 dichloromethane। third trihaloalkane, and this compound have a 3 halogen atom, like that CHCl3, common name is chloroform and IUPAC name is trichloromethane, otherwise 1,1 trichloromethane। next tetrahaloalkane, next is tetrahaloalkane। in this compound they have 4 halogen atom, that is called tetrahaloalkane, like that CCl4, common name is carbon tetrachloride, IUPAC name is tetrachloromethane otherwise 1 tetrachloromethen. So ये था आपका क्लासिफिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम. दीज आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 टाइप्स: मोनो, डाई, ट्राई, टेट्रा. Mono haloalkane, these compound have only one halogen atom is called mono haloalkane, like that CH3Cl. Common name is methyl chloride and IUPAC name is 1-chloromethane. Dihaloalkane, in these compound have two halogen atom, like that CH2ClCl or CH2Cl2. Methylene chloride is common name and IUPAC name is dichloromethane. Trihaloalkane, in this compound have three halogen atom, like that CHCl3, common name is chloroform and IUPAC name is trichloromethane. Tetrahaloalkane, these compound have four halogen atom, common name is carbon tetrachloride and IUPAC name is tetrachloromethane. Next है monohaloalkane or alkyl halide. Monohaloalkane also known as a alkyl halide, and definition is these compound have one halogen atom, that is called monohaloalkane or alkyl halide. These compound have only one halogen atom, that is called monohaloalkane or alkyl halide. These are further divided into three types, and these are further divided into three types. So आगे उन्हीं को हम डिस्कस करेंगे, इनके थ्री टाइप्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. तो फर्स्ट है इसका प्राइमरी एल्किल हैलाइड. प्राइमरी एल्किल हैलाइड क्या होता है? इन these halide the halogen atom attached with primary carbon atom. Means primary alkyl halide, in these halide the halogen atom attached with primary carbon atom, like that halogen atom attached with primary carbon atom, means that halogen attached with the carbon is attached with another carbon only, one another carbon only, means that halogen attached with these carbon atom, those carbon atom attached with any one another carbon atom, that is called primary alkyl halide, otherwise 1 degree alkyl halide. तो इस कॉमन, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल और लेते हैं, इसके कुछ और एग्जांपल लिख लेते हैं, उसके बाद इनका नोमेनक्लेचर करते हैं. जैसे CH3Cl या फिर CH3CH2Cl या फिर CH3CH2CH2Cl. कॉमन नेम एंड IUPAC नेम दोनों साथ साथ लिखेंगे. तो फर्स्टली कॉमन नेम एंड सेकंड IUPAC नेम. Common name is also known as methyl chloride and IUPAC 1-chloromethane. That is क्या हो जाएगा? ethyl chloride and IUPAC name is 1-chloroethane. And third propyl chloride IUPAC 1 chloro propane, 1 chloro propane, 1 chloro propane. That is प्राइमरी अल्किल हैलाइड. सेकंड पार्ट है इसका सेकेंडरी अल्किल हैलाइड. सेकंड पार्ट है इसका सेकेंडरी alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide. Definition is in these halide the halogen atom attached with secondary carbon atom. Secondary alkyl halide definition is in these halide the halogen atom attached with secondary carbon atom, like that CH3 CH Cl CH3. क्लियर? या CH3, चलो एक से समझ लेते हैं. CH3 CH Cl3 Cl ये है. ये देखिए अपन इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं CHCl3, राइट. In derived system these compound also known as iso. These compound use the word of iso. So its common name is isopropyl या propyl isopropyl chloride and IUPAC is 2-chloropropane. That is secondary alkyl halide. And next is tertiary alkyl halide. Number 3, tertiary alkyl halide. Definition is in these halide the halogen atom attached with tertiary carbon atom, like for example CH3 3 degree carbon and CH3 3 degree है CH3, that is called tertiary alkyl halide. And definition is in these halide the halogen atom attached with the tertiary carbon atom. Common name tertiary butyl chloride and IUPAC नाम है इसका. नेक्स्ट सबसे पहले लॉन्गेस्ट चेन सूची एंड क्या आ जाएगा 2-chloro 2-methyl 2-chloro 2-methyl प्रोपेन, 2 क्लोरो 2 मेथिल प्रोपेन। सबसे पहले कार्बन की लॉन्गेस्ट चेन 1 2 3, फिर नंबरिंग, उसके बाद सब्स्टिट्यूट एज यूज एज ए प्रीफिक्स। तो इन अल्फाबेट क्लोरो इज फर्स्टली, सो 2 क्लोरो 2 मेथिल और 3 की रिंग है, तो इसलिए प्रोपेन। ये था आपका मोनो हेलो एल्केन। तो नेक्स्ट है अपना एलिलिक हैलाइड। नेक्स्ट है एलिलिक हैलाइड एंड डेफिनेशन इज in these halide the halogen atom bonded with sp3 hybridized carbon atom and next to double bonded carbon atom, next to double bonded carbon atom. Allylic halide and its definition is in these halide the halogen atom bonded with sp3 hybridized carbon atom and next to double bonded carbon atom. Like that, for example, Cl halogen atom is bonded with sp3 hybridized carbon atom and sp3 hybridized carbon atom is bonded with double bonded carbon atom. Example, common name क्या हो जाएगा इसका? देखिए 1 क्लोरो लगा हुआ है और ये वाला है तो एलिलिक, क्योंकि इन द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन फर्स्टली कैलकुलेट द सिग्मा बॉन्ड एंड लोन पेयर. In these compound carbon have a no lone pair but carbon have a 4 sigma bond and the 4 sigma bond hybridization is sp3. So common name is allylic chloride, and IUPAC name is firstly choose a longest chain and then after numbering. In this compound double bond is present, so it also get a minimum number. So 3 chloro 1 propene. So 3 chloro 1 propene. Second example is like that halogen atom bonded with sp3 hybridized carbon atom and next to double bonded carbon atom. Common name क्या हो जाएगा? allylic chloride. Common name is allylic chloride and IUPAC क्या हो जाएगा? देखिए 1 ये डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ पे है, 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3 क्लोरो cyclohexene, right? 3-chlorocyclohexene. नेक्स्ट अपना बेंजीलिक हैलाइड, थर्ड नंबर बेंजीलिक हैलाइड. benzelic halide. In these halide, the halogen atom bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to benzene ring, right? Benzelic halide, and its definition is: in these halide, the halogen atom bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to benzene ring, like that. Halogen atom bonded with sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and these bonded with and next to attached with या bonded with benzene ring. अपन इसको ऐसे बनाए benzene that carbon is called benzelic halide, and common name is benzelic chloride यूज किया तो benzelic chloride, and IUPAC is chloromethyl benzene, one chloromethyl benzene. Here 1 2 3 नंबर दे दीजिए, तो 1 chloromethyl benzene. And next है vinylic halide. Vinylic halide. In these halide, the halogen atom bonded directly to double bonded carbon atom, like that. Halogen atom directly bonded with double bonded carbon atom, and its या पे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन एटम IUPAC, sorry, common name is vinylic chloride. IUPAC is longest chain 1 2 3, तो क्या आ जाएगा 2 chloro 1 propene, 2 chloro 1 propane. Clear? And next halogen. Next number 5, halogen. In these halide, the halogen atom is benzene chloride, benzene chloride, and IUPAC is 1 chloro benzene, 1 chloro benzene. So complete the classification and nomenclature of halogen derivative, and next topic is the bond nature of CX. Next topic is the nature of CX bond in alkyl halide. For example, CH3, CH3 carbon have a sp3 hybridized, carbon have a sp3 hybridization, and chlorine have a 3p unpaired orbital. इसकी अगर ऑर्बिटल स्ट्रक्चर अपन कंप्लीट करें तो हाइड्रोजन 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 ये sp3 क्योंकि एक सिग्मा ये तो 4 सिग्मा sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज, और क्लोरीन जो है उसका क्या है अनपेयर्ड 3p ऑर्बिटल्स है, उसके साथ ही कौन सा बॉन्ड बनाता है सिग्मा बॉन्ड कंप्लीट करता है। तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये कौन सा हुआ कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर का हुआ, कौन से कैरेक्टर का कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड हुआ, बट ये कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड हुआ, बट we know that chlorine have a higher electronegativity than carbon atom, so attract the electron and it's attract the electron, so carbon on the carbon atom have a develop partially positive charge and chlorine have a partially negative charge, so its bond is CX bond is polar in nature. Then CH3 F, CH3 Cl, CH3 Br and CH3 I. Calculate the bond length of in these compounds. So I know that, yeah, we know that in down the group atomic size increases, and atomic size increases as well as bond length is increases. Bond length is increases, bond length is increases. So CF to CI bond length increased, bond length increasing. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही, नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में।